A snub-nose revolver is a small, compact handgun with a short barrel, typically under 3 inches. Known for its ease of concealment, it is a popular choice for personal defense and law enforcement backup weapons. Its short barrel reduces accuracy over long distances, but makes it highly maneuverable in close quarters situations. Snub-nose revolvers usually hold 5 to 6 rounds and are chambered for calibers like .38 Special or .357 Magnum. Despite the limited capacity, their reliability, simplicity, and quick draw make them effective in emergencies. The design minimizes the risk of snagging when drawn from a holster or pocket, further enhancing their appeal for concealed carry. Ruger, Smith & Wesson, and Colt are notable manufacturers of these revolvers, which remain iconic in the world of firearms.